Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. We are doing our monthly reads for February 2021 and we'll be looking at Scorpios. Let's see what's going on for our Scorpios and what's in store for you for the month of February. Okay, if this read resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's see what comes up for our Scorpions. How your recent past has been, Scorpions. Pretty stabilized. Okay, trying to make a judgment. Could be you could be trying to make a judgment, or you could be, not even judgment. I do see you just praying. You're just praying to the angels, to the universe to grant you something. I don't see it could be love, could be any finances or a particular career or job, because in the very next card I do see loneliness coming here. I do see a lot of emotional instability. Could be because of the full moon that just passed, but still you are a pretty stabilized personality. You always have a stabilizing influence on other people, but there are times when you feel low. So also I do see you praying a lot in the recent past. Let's see what comes up in your present situation. Could be some kind of money losses also in the recent past, but not necessarily, but for some, maybe for 1 or 2% of you. Okay. Okay, so in the present situation, I do see you taking whatever decision, because it was coming that some of you are actually trying to make a decision that you're praying to the universe about. Could be in terms of career, or could be in terms of love, but here in this street particularly I see it's more in terms of your career. There could be a certain job opportunity that you really wanted, and in the present situation I do see you actually availing with the Fool card here. You are simply just trusting the universe and you are moving forward. You don't know what's coming for you. You're just having faith in the universe that whatever universe has presented in front of you is actually going to give you abundance in your life. And then we have the Ace of Wands, which are the new beginnings, new desires. Not necessarily new desires, but new hopes for sure. So with the Ace of Wands, you actually have new beginnings. Okay. You're a pretty stabilized personality, but in the present situation, you know that you have, if you make this decision, it's gonna give you so much of abundance. It's gonna give you a lot of happiness. But again, there is some kind of undecision that's coming. Again, you're feeling like, still I'm not really sure about it, because you cannot see what's coming in front of you. You just have to trust the universe that whatever universe is giving you is actually right for you. So there is some kind of indecision in the present situation still. But again, the major card is the Ace of Wands, which is the new beginnings. So trust the universe and you'll have new beginnings. Let's see what comes up in the near future in the month of February for our Scorpions. Let's see what's coming up for our Scorpions for their future. Yeah. Stable. Again, stability is definitely coming your way. You'll be very stable. And for those of you who are actually waiting on someone to approach you, or who are actually waiting to give their cup of love to someone, so I do see you personally pretty ready, that you are ready for this connection. You are ready for this you are ready for this person to just come and communicate with you. And then there's a lot of abundance that I see. There's a lot of abundance coming your way. Could be some kind of traveling involved. Maybe you have to just go to a certain city. I don't see that it's an overseas travel, but yeah, you might have to go to a certain city. And it's not just coming with only abundance. There could be some kind of trials that you have to go through in this, maybe in this February month. But the trials are less and there's more of abundance. And then with the Nine of Cups, we do see that you're pretty happy about whatever decision you made. With this new beginning, you're very happy. You feel that you have that peace of mind that you were waiting for from a very long time. You have that contentment, so you're pretty happy with this. And that is amazing. That was your read, Scorpions, for February. Eventually you're actually making the right decision, so there is nothing if it's in terms of love, again you are going for it. If it's in terms of finances, you're going for it. But definitely right now maybe you're undecided, but you will make the right decision. Let's see what the universe wants to guide our Scorpions for February month. Universe, please guide our Scorpions for February 2021. Okay, yeah, because you're a water sign, this Mercury retrograde might bring some kind of these trials that I mentioned. These trials are only coming because of the whole energies of this Mercury retrograde. Universe is telling you that, you know, stay stabilized, stay the way you are. You are a very stabilizing influence on everyone, so you have to be very stable. And there could be some kind of justice coming your way for sure. Again, as we saw, the new beginning, so it is justice on your end. That's what the universe is saying. Wait for the celebration time. Wait to have a good party with your family and friends, because you will have this new beginning, you will have this new hope. So just stay away from these frustrations and this undecision, although it's not going to last for a very long time. Also underneath the deck we have a lot of financial flow coming your way. So if it's in terms of career, job, there's a lot of finances coming your way. You don't have to worry about the finances. So that was your read, Scorpions, for the month of February. If it resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.